Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot chocolate, or hot cocoa, as some may call it. I was playing Wii Sports for the video I just uploaded. Anyways, let's go. So the first thing you'll need is obviously hot cocoa mix. Doesn't matter what kind of hot cocoa you mix. I'm using a hot cocoa mix from Hy-Vee down the street. Okay, so what you'll need is you'll need a coffee mug. I'm gonna use my Super Mario mug. See, it's me, Mario. And look at my shirt. Nope, not today. It's got the arch illager from the Minecraft Dungeons game. So you'll need to open the hot cocoa. You'll need to get a spoon so you can scoop out the mix like so. I usually scoop it out like this and just pour it into the mug. Usually I put in the milk first. I usually use 4 scoops for extra chocolate mix. So next what you want to do is get some milk or water. Either one works. But I'd recommend using milk because it mixes better and it tastes better. So you want to put in milk, but not too much that it overflows. Depending on how large your mug is will have to do with how much milk you use and how much you put in. Next we need to put it in the microwave for a minute. And then we have to wait. While we're at it, how about we play some short target practice, okay? Except I'm actually holding the camera this time. I'm surprised I even hit that at all. That's a short target practice. So back to the video. It should be about done. 10, or I mean 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next, what you need to do, because I use so much mix, what you need to do is you have to put the spoon that you used and put it in your mug and use it to stir the mix. I usually stir it for about 30 seconds to get everything dissolved. Taste test. It feels like it could use a little more mix. That might have been too much. Taste test. It's actually just barely snowing outside. That's all for now, so we'll see you on the next episode of Cooking with the Ghasty Guy. It's your host, Chef, signing out. Peace!